Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this look using the new Sigma Beauty Viper collection. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for this tutorial, and let's begin. I'm going to start off this look by applying my MAC Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot all over the lids to make sure my eyeshadow stays on all day. With my Sigma E55 eye shading brush, I'm going to take the shade Hypnotized from the Viper palette and apply that to the entire lid to set my primer in place. Now with my Sigma E40 tapered blending brush, I'm going to blend in the shade Adder into the crease. I'm going to blend using windshield wiping motions back and forth, and I will be gradually applying product to build up the shadow. I think that it is a lot easier to blend when you apply less product at first and build up the color rather than going in with a heavy hand and trying to blend that out afterwards. With the same brush, I'm going to apply the shade Malevolent just under the shade Adder into the crease. For this look, I'm going to make sure that I am not taking the crease shades up too high. Now with my Sigma E60 large shader brush, I'm going to pack on the shade Malevolent all over the lid to intensify this shadow. With the same large shader brush, I'm going to go into the shade Beguile, and I'm going to cut the crease, taking it only halfway into the lid. Now I'm going to apply my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Midnight Cowboy, where I cut the crease. With my large shader brush again, I'm going to pack on more of the shade Malevolent to intensify the green. To apply my winged liner today, I'm using the Sigma Beauty Line Ace in the shade Black. Now with my Sigma E20 short shader brush, I'm going to go into the shade Adder and apply that on my lower lash line, and then going into the shade Malevolent and applying that on top of Adder. And now I'm going to line my waterline using my Rimmel Kohl liner in the shade Nude. For mascara, I'm applying the Sigma Beauty Sinuosity Lash Mascara. To add more glam to this look, I'm going to apply my House of Lashes Iconic Lashes using my House of Lashes Lash Adhesive Glue to apply it. Using my Sigma E30, I'm going to apply my MAC Nylon eyeshadow to make my eyes pop. To finish up this look, I'm going to apply my Sigma Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Anti-Venom, and that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about this collection in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. I will see you in my next video, and as always, have a beautiful day. Bye!